This application is called image transferring, for transferring a black and white image using transfer oil.
Apply a light colored base coat. In this case, we chose cottage white. On darker tones, the ink will be harder to see. Paint the edges first. Make sure to follow the wood grain. Allow to dry. Using a damp cloth, rub the surface smooth to remove any brush marks. You can choose to leave the brush marks for a more vintage look, making the image look time-worn. The final stroke should be in the same direction as the wood grain. The surface is now smooth. Allow to dry. Choose an image. If it has any text, it must be reversed. It must be printed from a black laser printer. Apply face down, then secure with tape. Prepare your transfer oil. Fold the image up. Apply transfer oil while it is raised off of the surface. As the oil soaks into the paper, it loosens the ink. Allow it to sit until it is matte. There should be no pooling or shiny areas. Hold the image firmly in place. Using the base of a spoon, apply firm pressure across the whole surface. Carefully lift up the image and see which areas of the image you are missing. Repeat this step until the image is completely transferred. Once you are happy, remove the image and discard it. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. Now apply the antique finishing glaze. The color we have chosen is molasses. Now, using a damp cellulose sponge, apply the antique finishing glaze. Remember to apply in the direction of the wood grain. Using the clean side of the sponge, you can remove some of the glaze to reach the desired look. Now that the glaze has sealed the surface, you can use sandpaper to further distress. For added protection, you may add a clear top coat. In this case, we chose flat varnish. Apply around the edges and then finish in the same direction as the wood grain. Allow to dry. Don't forget to put the instructions on the back for future reference.
You have now completed the black and white image transfer using transfer oil.